Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you another AI based tool that is very helpful in coding perspective and especially for the targeted developers who want to focus upon their business logics rather than writing some legacy codes out there. AI has very encapsulated the market these days. Like many AI based tools have been introduced, like in the previous three videos we have discussed about ChatGPT, and now I think there should be some more flavor about that. And currently there's a Blackbox AI tool that is used to autocomplete the code, to generate the code for you, so that you can use it in your respective language and go ahead with the business logic only, or just simply optimize it on your own level rather than writing all the legacy code for yourself. AI is doing very much easier for us, like it's simplifying the things, easing out the things, saving time, saving cost. There are many pros of these tools. So today we're gonna discuss about the Blackbox AI, and it has a 20 plus programming languages support, and it has been written like Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, Go, and Ruby as well. We will be focusing on Java, and we will be keeping this video on a very basic level to just introduce the Blackbox AI tools to us. And obviously in our next videos we will surely be enhancing and exploring these tools more further. So how to get started is just to start a free trial. It will take you to this page and you can try any package of them. I'm right now trying the good developer package, and I have uh, successfully registered it. You have to provide your payment details because it's free for only 5 days, so you can test it out. Once you get your details entered, it will provide you to a go ahead to start it with VS Code because it has the Visual Code extension right now. If you are using the legendary developer package, so it will be having a web-based IDE as well, so you don't have to use your own VS Code IDE to get the results of Blackbox. You can use their web-based IDE as well. It's up to you. So we are using in here a good developer IDE in here. So we have just started a project in VS Code that is called a simple project Java project, and it has some simple app.java class. If you want to see this project, it's very simple. It has nothing in the library and it has only an app.java class in it. We'll go to the extensions and search for the Blackbox AI integration plugin, and now we will click on install. It will enable it for us. Now once it has been installed, we'll hit Control Shift P and find the keyword black box, and let's say it is enabled black box autocomplete. We will just click that and it will get enabled. For many of times it shows an warning message to sign in into Blackbox first because it will integrate your account with it. So you just need to click on sign in. It will open the browser for you. You can just provide your details of sign in, and once you are signed in, it will provide you the go ahead to go to the VS Code and use the tool as per norms, and it will show this pop up once you sign in from the browser automatically. So now we have the guns ready, and let's get started. If I want, let's say I want a method to just upload the files in Java. So I will say method to upload the files in Java. Let's see how it goes. And it has provided me with some code. Oh, it was my first attempt and it goes really well. Like it has produced a huge chunk of code for us, And it has also provided with some commented code as well. I think because complete the request and receive response from the server, this, and this. Like it has provided a user sort of code. Like we are working on some file, we are combining out some code and putting it back and using the relevant one. That's how it looks like because it has this function being committed out. So it has provided the reason for that as well. And it has also a very good documentation, and it is providing this code in two different languages. Like it has provided multi-part utility in Java, and it has provided the multi-part, if I could say, in PHP as well. Haha, and user.java as well, exactly. So it's very great. The first experience was good. Let's see, and let's dive into some other questions as well. um, let's say if I want to say function method to get method to find a string is palindrome or not. Let's see what it gives. It gives me this output. Oh, it gives me two results this time. The first option, likewise, it has provided me two different options. I can use any of them, and whatever is suitable for us, or we can just now use the same question with some different keywords, let's say, and see how it works in that case. So I think the method to find a string is palindrome or not. Method to check a palindrome, let's say what it does. Sorry, error. A question mark is required, I think, because I was searching it on the internet, and it was providing me with some different things. Like they have provided their own uh, example, a very small example how it works. Let's say if I could open my browser and you can just see, like, upload this in Java. So that's what I'm following right now. So simply go and type method to check a palindrome string. It should provide me with some, but yes, it does provide, and now it has three results this time. Cool. Well, uh, on a similar glance right now, if I could just glance on the results, it's clear that the code is written, and I think there's much of the trimming is required in this code, because you can see that there are too many ifs, too many for loops, very unsegregated answers. Like they have system outs as well. Like it's writing the code as a user's perspective. There are some naming conventions that are not as per the norms of Java. These should be optimized as well. These naming conventions should be fixed. So like this, the upper cases are not handled very well. And if you can see, there's no indentation as well, like spaces and all other stuff. This. So I think though this could be the thing that is lacking in this tool, and I think this tool is mainly focusing on providing the code and way-arounds to just help you out in some quick books. Like if you are stuck on some logic, and you can refer these three logics that has been that is performing the similar result, so you can just consolidate them and create your own very optimized logic. So that's the main focus, I think, they are providing for us now. It is providing the power of this tool is that you are just providing a method to check a palindrome string. A comment in here, and it is generating a code for you. You can keep this comment as it is and just remove this question mark and place any of your code that you have got from here, and it will automatically become a documentation of this code that you are writing. It means it has the power in its keywords, in its commenting sections. So it's up to you that how much optimize, or it's up to us, I can say, on the user, that how much optimized keyword they are using to get the more accurate result. The more you provide the good result, the more accurate results it will be. So you have to keep an eye on your keyword that you are using. Previously, I have used two different strings to get the output and all those stuff. Now I've optimized my words and use very commonly used stuff like method, palindrome, and off string and check. So it's just focusing on this check to check what palindrome of this, and a method is required for that. Very great. So I think so it's very easy to be hooked up in VS Code. Just go to the extensions and add it up and use this to integrate it in your environment, and very good stuff to do. But it mainly focuses on code. So I've tried it with Java. You can try it with Python and different languages. If you want me to try it, then you can just let me know in my comment section, or you have any queries, or you want to make it more clear, or more want me to play around with it alongside you on a video. So that could be done as well. But I think it's a very good tool. We will, in the future videos, we will be diving into some other languages as well, creating some full-fledged applications or full-fledged uh, programs to check how it performs. And you can, till then, you can just try it and check it out at your end. Till then, have a good day, and if you like the video, please hit the bell icon, hit likes, provide your comment and feedback, and please subscribe. Thank you very much.